In today's battlefield, high-tech gear like drones and smart missiles often steal the spotlight. But behind all that, there's one system proving that classic firepower, updated with modern tech, can still dominate: Russia's Tornado-S multiple launch rocket system. This isn't just any rocket launcher. With long-range precision strikes, the Tornado-S can take out enemy convoys quickly and effectively. The Tornado-S is a 300mm multiple launch rocket system, or MLRS. It's not a cruise missile. It fires a barrage of rockets from an 8x8 wheeled vehicle. This system is an upgraded version of the older Smerch MLRS, but now it's equipped with GLONASS satellite guidance, which allows each rocket to hit precise targets instead of just blanketing an area with explosions. One of the Tornado-S's biggest strengths is its range. It can hit targets up to 120 kilometers away, allowing it to strike enemy positions from a safe distance. What really sets it apart, though, is its accuracy. Thanks to satellite guidance and inertial navigation, its rockets have a margin of error of only 5 to 10 meters, almost on par with some guided missiles. That's impressive for a rocket artillery system. On the battlefield, the Tornado-S is often used to destroy moving military convoys. Using real-time data from reconnaissance drones, operators receive precise coordinates of enemy vehicles. Each rocket is programmed to strike a specific point within the convoy. Then, a salvo is launched, wiping out the entire convoy in minutes. These strikes don't just eliminate vehicles and troops, they also cut supply lines and deliver a serious blow to enemy morale. The Tornado-S's success depends heavily on integration with drones like the Orlan 10 and Zala. These drones provide live surveillance and feed target data directly to command systems. Once a target is identified, the launchers adjust their fire quickly. This shortens response times and boosts strike effectiveness. The Tornado-S boasts versatility in warhead types, tailored to battlefield needs. It can launch rockets with high explosive fragmentation warheads that are effective against infantry and light vehicles. It also offers thermobaric warheads, which create intense heat and pressure waves, deadly against bunkers and fortifications. For wider area attacks, cluster munitions disperse sub-munitions across multiple targets simultaneously. Plus, it carries penetrator warheads designed to pierce hardened structures and concrete defenses. This flexibility makes the Tornado-S more than just a rocket launcher. It's a multifunctional weapon adaptable to various combat scenarios. Mounted on a powerful 8x8 vehicle, the Tornado-S launcher is highly mobile. After firing, it quickly relocates to avoid counterattacks, employing hit-and-run tactics that make it hard for the enemy to track and destroy. This mobility is especially valuable when operating close to the front lines. Tornado-S strikes are often so effective because the enemy frequently lacks adequate protection. Many convoys don't have short-range missile defenses or anti-rocket systems. On top of that, drones often operate undetected, delivering target coordinates to Tornado-S systems with no warning, making the strike sudden and devastating. The Tornado S exemplifies how traditional rocket artillery has evolved into a precision weapon. It's not just a long-range launcher, it's part of a digital combat network combining aerial reconnaissance, rapid target analysis, pinpoint strikes, and quick repositioning. The result, an efficient, lethal weapon perfectly suited for modern battlefield conditions. As warfare rapidly evolves, the Tornado S proves that blending old-school firepower with new technology can produce a formidable weapon. With the ability to destroy enemy convoys from afar with impressive accuracy, the Tornado S has become a symbol of Russia's modern artillery strength. It's not just about big explosions, it's about how information, precision, and mobility combine to change the game on the front lines. This content is created solely for educational and informational purposes. It is intended to provide insights based on verified data, credible sources, and careful analysis. Our goal is to foster a deeper understanding of modern military technology and current events, not to promote or endorse any form of conflict, propaganda, or political agenda. We strictly oppose the spread of misinformation and hoaxes. Every piece of information presented has been carefully sourced from reliable, publicly available references. We encourage viewers to approach the topic with critical thinking and respect for all sides involved, maintaining a focus on knowledge sharing and open discussion.